Paying your Montreal parking ticket online is simpler than you might think. Let's walk through it step by step and get it done quickly and securely. First, you'll need your parking ticket in hand. Locate the ticket number A circumflex euros. It's usually a long string of digits A circumflex euros. And the date of the infraction, you'll need both of these for the online payment process. Now, head to the official City of Montreal website. Look for the Pay Tickets or Online Services section. You'll be directed to the secure online payment portal. Here, you'll find fields to enter your parking ticket number and the date of the violation. Double-check that you've entered these accurately to avoid any issues. Once you've entered your ticket information, the system will display a summary of your parking ticket, including the outstanding amount and the due date. Take a moment to review this information to ensure it matches your ticket. Next, you'll select your preferred payment method. The portal typically accepts major credit cards. You'll be guided through a secure payment gateway to enter your card details. Rest assured, this process is protected to keep your financial information safe. After successfully completing the payment, you'll receive a confirmation with a transaction number or receipt. It's a good idea to save this confirmation for your records. You've now successfully paid your Montreal parking ticket online, avoiding any potential late fees and the hassle of mailing a check.